I'm almost embarrassed to admit, you are the first person from the music, as it were, on this particular
Cheers
podcast.
to many more musicians.
Because it's called the Bombay Film Story, and isn't the Bombay Film Story so much the Bombay music story?
तो से नैना लागे पिया सांवरे. It's a scratch. We don't know who's singing it finally, but will you try it? I said, yeah. शमा को पिघलने का अरमान क्यों है?
That's what got you the job.
Yeah.
And so they kept the scratch, or did they actually take
The scratch, yeah. You could tell it's a Mithun song, and even now you can. When I'd moved to Bombay and I would meet people, it's actually a great voice, but we don't know what to do with it. My father always said there are two lives. One has music and art in it, and one doesn't.
Okay.
So always go for the one that has it.
Would he be, say, someone like, have you seen Whiplash?
Yeah.
Would he be something like that jazz instructor in Whiplash? Ki bhai tujhe karna hi hai? Or was it a softer kind?
My father is like Amir Khan from Dangal.
You've said this somewhere, Shilpa, that it's a myth that you're born with a voice.
That's true.
And is everyone a singer?
आपको जब बचपन में किसी ने लोरी गा के सुनाया होगा, आपको लगता है वो टेक्निकली साउंड होगा. बहुत चीजें प्यार से भी आप कनेक्ट कर लेते हो.
Why is it that through the 60s, 70s, 80s, all we ever heard was Lata, Asha, Kishore, Rafi. इतने सारे हैं, but सिर्फ 4-5 ही क्यों गा रहे थे?
I don't think you have these names because they were talented or hardworking or God gifted. No, they were persistent. Talent can't take you all the way through. No. The first song that I tried, Kaisi Pehli Zindagani.
Oh wow.
For Parineet. I sang it. I was horrible.
Right.
And this can happen to you at the peak of your career.
Reel of yours where you're singing Kalank, right? And this is a live concert, and that went viral like how?
हवाओं में बहेंगे. वो होता है, इसको बोलते हैं आमद. आमद एक बहुत यूनिक चीज़ है. मैं बरखा तेरी, तू मेरा बादल पिया. उस दिन उस टाइम पे ऐसे सुर लगते हैं कि आप उसको फोर्स करके भी नहीं कर सकते हो. किसी के ना रहेंगे दीवानी मैं तेरी. It's something that comes from that energy of that place.
Yeah.
हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी. So Ahmad just comes and you just have to catch it. So I think that day was Ahmad. जहाँ उस दिन वैसे सुर लग रहे थे and the emotion flew. कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया.
Have you ever been in a situation as a singer where you've been offered a song, say, यार आप क्रेडिट नहीं कर रहे हो, मैं गा तो दूंगी, पर ये कॉम्पोजिशन आपका है नहीं सर. Where do you think that, and it's plagiarism?
Hi, this is Shilpa Rao and catch my Bombay Film Story with Mayank Shekhar on midday.